kani nga tong tabian karon, importante kay ni nga makasabot ta. Importante kaayo ni nga ato ning tugkaron og sabton kay tungod this is one of our strongest foundation, ladies, para makasabot ta o para makahibalot ta o para mas mukusog pa, mas mangisog pa ang atoang kaugalingon to fight for our right as of this present, as of this very moment. Kay kung wala mo kahibalo, ladies, right now we are living in a patriarchy system. Og ang mga kababaihan sa tibuok kalibutan are very oppressed, are very limited, are very kanang gigunitan sa o gi-control para dili makatingog. Okay, ladies, so it's very important that we understand this, because before this people, you know, for me, this is like the Spanish era. During this time is really the history that I hate the most, especially sa to ang mga Pilipina. Of course, before the Spanish era, you know, there were other kind of kanang history.